Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your Google form and click the Responses tab at the top. Look for the Accepting Responses toggle and switch it off immediately. If you prefer, click the three-dot menu and choose Turn off Accepting Responses instead. Next, open Settings and add a custom confirmation message that reads the form closed at 11:59 p.m. Save settings so respondents see that message. Confirm the toggle shows the form is no longer accepting responses. Return to the editor when you finish. Open Google Drive and locate the form file to change who can open the link. Right-click the file and choose Share, then set link access to Restricted so the link stops working. Back in the form, open Settings and restrict access to your organization when appropriate. Use the Share dialog to remove any collaborators so they cannot reopen the form. If you granted direct access to responders, revoke those permissions here as well. These steps will prevent new people from using the old URL. Before you permanently disable the form, open Responses and download all answers as a CSV file. Click the three-dot menu in Responses and choose Download Responses to save them locally. If you want scheduled closing next time, install the Form Limiter add-on and set an end date automatically. After exporting, change the form title to include closed and move the file to an archive folder in Drive. Optionally, delete the live copy to prevent recovery. Keep the CSV backup for records and future analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.